Hi everyone. So in this video, I want to talk a bit about the Social Security Fairness Act. I know some of you have been waiting to hear updates about retro pay from Social Security. Hopefully we'll get some news soon. But for now, I just want to go over 10 common questions that you might have. Of course, there are a lot of questions out there, but today I'm just going to focus on these 10 and share the answers related to the Social Security Fairness Act. So, what is this Social Security Fairness Act? Well, this act basically gets rid of two Social Security rules, the windfall elimination provision and the government pension offset. For years, these two rules have reduced or even withheld Social Security benefits from people working in public service jobs, government jobs, and getting a pension from those jobs, even when they also qualify for Social Security benefits. Because of these rules, it's affected your Social Security benefits. But now, the Social Security Fairness Act has put an end to all that. And as you might know, President Biden signed this into law on January 5th, 2025. So, what exactly are the windfall elimination provision and the government pension offset? Well, the windfall elimination provision reduces your Social Security benefits, such as retirement benefits or disability benefits, SSDI, if you also receive a pension from a public service job where you didn't pay into Social Security. On the other hand, the government pension offset reduces or even eliminates Social Security spousal or survivor benefits. This means your Social Security benefits could be affected if you're receiving them based on your spouse's record, or if you're collecting widow's benefits while also receiving a pension from a public service job. So, when does the repeal of the windfall elimination provision and the government pension offset take effect? Well, this repeal officially took effect from January 2024. Social Security will now work on cases that were affected and will reimburse any benefits that were reduced or completely withheld due to these rules. This means they will provide retroactive payments for those impacted, but only going back to January 2024. If you were affected before that time, let's say many years ago, and your benefits were reduced or denied completely because of these two rules, Social Security will not pay retroactively for any period before January 2024. The effective date strictly applies moving forward from January 2024. Who benefits from the Social Security Fairness Act? Well, it's those of you who worked in public service jobs and also receive a pension from those jobs. For example, retired teachers, police officers, firefighters, and others in similar public service roles. These individuals receive pensions from jobs where their earnings weren't subject to Social Security taxes. This act helps ensure that their Social Security benefits are no longer reduced or withheld because of those pensions. So, once Social Security completes their work and reimburses benefits retroactively starting from January 2024, how much can you receive? Well, the amount each person will receive depends on how much was reduced or withheld each month. You can calculate this by taking the amount you were impacted monthly and multiplying it by the number of months you were affected. For example, if your benefits were reduced by $200 per month and Social Security reimburses 15 months of retroactive payments, you would receive $3,000. Right now, they are still working on it, so we don't know when they will finish their work and start paying back. For some people, this could add up to several hundred or even several $1,000s, depending on how much they were impacted and for how long. Next question. Do you need to apply for the updated benefits? No, Social Security says you don't need to do anything at this time. However, if there are any changes to your address or bank account, and you're already receiving Social Security benefits, you should update that information. They recommend logging into their website at ssa.gov to update or to make sure they have your correct details. This ensures that when they finish their work and send out payments, your money will go to the right place. And the next question is, how will I know if my benefits have been adjusted? Social Security says they will notify those whose benefits have been affected. You can also check your updated benefits through their website, My Social Security account, at ssa.gov, or by contacting Social Security directly. The phone number to reach Social Security is 1-800-772-1213. Okay, so once Social Security completes their work, will I receive the retroactive payments in a lump sum or installments? At this time, Social Security has not confirmed exactly how or when the retroactive payments will be issued. They recommend waiting for updates, and the information will likely be available on their website. They will make announcements regarding any updates. Next question. Where can I get more information? If anyone needs more information about Social Security, you can contact Social Security at the phone number 1-800-772-1213 or visit their website at ssa.gov. And the last question is, does this change affect the Social Security funds? As we know, the Congressional Budget Office estimates that by applying this law, it will cost about $196 billion over the next 10 years, which will impact the Social Security funds. This means the fund will deplete sooner. Currently, it's estimated that they still have enough money to pay for benefits like retirement benefits until 2034, but with the application of the Social Security Fairness Act, the funds will run out by 2033 instead of 2034. I'm sure many people are happy to see that they approved the Social Security Fairness Act. However, the government don't have a solution to bring more money in, and this will affect the Social Security trust funds in the future. I hope that in the near future they will introduce a new law to bring more money into the Social Security funds so that it won't be impacted. These are some of the common questions I wanted to share in this video. I'll see you in the next ones. Thank you so much. Goodbye.